Welcome back, YouTubers. Today we're doing a quick tip. We have a hook hanging in a bathroom ceiling that has to be removed. So I'm just going to show you how I go about making a repair to the hole that was made by it. So let's get into the demo. So you see the hook in the ceiling. It's pretty dated, it's pretty unsightly. So they've upgraded this whole bathroom and they just want to have ceilings with no hooks. So I'll just show you how we go about dealing with this. So what you need to do is take your spackle, press the spackle in with your putty knife right into the hole, fill up the holes. Then you take a little more spackle and you build up the areas where you chipped away the old loose plaster. You just build that up, try not to get too far out, but you got to replace what you took off, like so. Okay, so now if you were to leave that, yeah, it's not as bad as having the hook there, but you can still see there's some texture in this ceiling. You'll just see like a round blob where you put the material on. So I'll show you what to do next. What I want to do to create my new texture is use a terry cloth or a towel type material. This is a face cloth. But just get a toweling type material and you just want to wet a certain amount of it so you can get control. Soften the spackle up if you have to. And then you want to leave a part that's dry so that you can work with it as well. So now that you have your base material on, you can try to texture this, blend it in using the wet part. Manipulate with your fingers if you have to. And you need to do that to sort of feather in the outside edges. And then take your dry part and dab in to create your texture. If you have machine marks or tool marks in the texture, you can try to emulate with whatever tools you may have on hand. I got a knife here, so I'm going to just go with my dry part of my cloth again. Just gently touch that. Now, the product I use is made by DAP. It's called Drydex. It goes on paint, and when it's dry it turns white, and then it's ready to paint. And you don't have to prime over it. You can just spot prime with whatever paint you're using, and then you're ready to go.